All right, guys, we're gonna jump into some drops. So there's lots of traditional drops in breaking, and then of course you can create whatever you want. These are just some traditional ones. So first we're gonna just start with a spin down. I'm gonna show you what it is and then a couple variations, and that's it. So let's get started. So spin down, you're gonna cross any foot you want. This is a cross spin down, so we're gonna cross, and I'm turning over my left shoulder, so my left hand is gonna catch me. So as I spin, you're gonna see I'm on my toes, I drop, 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 I'm gonna slowly go down, and then my left hand is gonna catch me, and I end up in a hook. Yeah, so I end up in this hook position. Left hand, I'm on the top of my left hand, so I'm just spinning over and then coming straight back up, all right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the spin down to the other side. So if my left foot was crossed in front, I'm turning over my right shoulder. My right hand is the one that's gonna catch me. So I'm gonna drop down and I'm gonna put my right hand on the floor. My foot is in a hook. One thing, and I know I'm always on my students about this, and my teachers were always on me about this, is this foot being up when you're in a hook. So make sure that that foot isn't hanging or heavy. It should be up, and you should be ready to just stand up right away or do whatever, step into another flow of footwork. I'm actually gonna go ahead and have my assistant come in and show you that breakdown. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross your right foot in front, left hand, left shoulder, spin on down, good, yep. And then you're gonna spin right back up, nice. And then you're gonna cross your left foot in front, turning over your right shoulder, spinning down, catching on that right hand, very good, nice, spinning back up. Awesome. So there's your cross spin down left and cross spin down right. Another variation to the spin down, instead of starting with your feet crossed, you can actually start with your feet apart, and then you can just slide one foot into the hook. Same concept. If I'm turning over my right shoulder, then my right hand is gonna catch me. So I'm gonna just spin, turn, boom, right hand catches. Yeah, and then spin back up. If I'm gonna start open, turning over my left shoulder, my left hand is up, it's gonna catch me. Boom, drop, boom, back up. So there's your spin down crossing down and your spin down starting open. Okay, all right, y'all. So there's your spin down tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe below and also jump in the comments, let me know what else you want me to teach. New videos coming every week. Peace out.